Morning everyone. Nice evening last night, nice and warm. Mrs Bushwacker. Mrs Bushwacker was really warm in her setup. So got the kettle on, and you know me, nice morning brew. It's about 6:30. So Mrs Bushwacker's packed up her kit. She's going home in a couple of hours, and the heavens are gonna open, so it's gonna be some heavy rain. Hence the tarp cover. So I'll put that over. I'm gonna go and collect some wood off the floor because it's still nice and dry before it rains. Just build the fire up. So we're getting organised before the rain comes. Bit of a tidy up. But the rain's due about 11, I think, so get prepped now before the onslaught. And then think about some breakfast, I think. So let's crack on with that fire. Get some more wood, like I said, and we'll be sorted, I think.
There you go, Dean. You got a little coffee table.
Very nice. So Mrs Bushwacker's cracking on this morning. She's going to make one of them nice tables that she's got at her camp. So she's got 4 poles, banging them into the ground. She's going to put that metal tabletop on, so we've got another worktop surface. You can come again, Mrs Bushwacker.
Yeah. And these are good because you can just lift it off and take your prepared stuff straight over to the fire.
And we've moved the double seat over to the back wall. quite nice there. Mrs Bushwacker's on a bushcraft mission.
You getting that breakfast on soon? Huh?
Yeah. Oh yes. So very happy. Bushwacker's making me one of them. Busy girl.
You got a straight bit of wood.
Well, adds to the character. I'll name that tune in one.
Knock on wood.
Yeah.
I need you.
Right, swapsies. All you ladies out there, Mrs Bushwacker can do it, you can do it. And you had a good night as well, didn't you?
Yeah, it was really warm. That's a good idea, that blanket under the, in between the layers of the hammock.
And the one over the top as well. And a nice hot water bottle, you were sorted.
Yep.
She was warmer out here than she was at home. When in doubt, give it a clout.
We get a bit of moss and clean it up.
You've had a very constructive morning so far.
Yeah.
Nice bit of moss there, still cleaning it up. You've added a nice touch to the camp.
Yep.
It's coming up nice. If you polish that really highly, you can have double, that'll double up as a mirror. That's quite a good cleaner, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see why people used to use it to the number 2s. I didn't show you yesterday, guys, but this is the dog sleep system. He's got a nice insulated mat. Oh, I think it's raining, guys.
Good job you got the tarp up.
Yeah, preparation, and then I'll put 2 blankets down for him. And that's pretty much him. So that's how he sleeps up here.
Come on, Buster.
I know some of you guys are interested how he sleeps. So he's quite insulated off the floor. He likes that setup. And that's how he sleeps all year, and if it's too hot he just doesn't bother, he just sleeps on the ground.
And he sleeps in that big lean-to, doesn't he?
Yeah, he sleeps in the
No. Good boy, come on then.
It's not bedtime.
Go on up. Up.
Come on, boy, move. Good boys.
Oh, he likes it there.
Leave it there till it rains.
Thanks, Dean.
Enjoy.
I will.
Unbelievable, guys, it's unbelievable. Bang on with the weather, guys. I'm glad we got prepped for it. We had a little bit of a camp tidy up as well, had a little shunt around. And the heavens have opened. Mrs Bushwacker's making a nice cup of tea. And we've been doing a bit more to the cabin over there. I'll keep that fire going now. A bit of heat, temperature's dropped. How are you finding it, Mrs Bushwacker, in these
nice.
Wet conditions?
Yeah.
And Buster's come in out the rain. So beautiful now. Lovely having a camp when the weather's like this. Tarp's doing well, keeping the rain off.
Oh. Smoking.
I think we'll keep that fire going, Mrs Bushwacker.
Yeah. Okay, I'm off now. See you next time.
Mrs Bushwacker's going back home. I'm going to walk back with her. Just put on our waterproofs. I'm going to walk her back. Got my waterproofs on. And then going to do another night. What's it like out there, Mrs Bushwacker?
Yeah, it's wet.
Got that nice waterproof bag as well.
Yeah.
So all her kit's nice and dry. Sorted. Right, see you in a bit guys. I'm going to walk her back.